How to buy Evmos on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Evmos on Trust Wallet. You will not be able to use Trust Wallet directly to buy Evmos. Instead, you will need to use the browser and then use a decentralized exchange to do so. First of all, open your browser on your device and in the search bar type in stx.com. Now search for it. You will land on the official website of STX. Here, once you reach to this page, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. Here in this box, tap on it and enter either your phone number or your email address. Once you enter your email address, now tap on this Register Now button. You will be taken to this page. Here again, you will need to enter your email address or phone number. After that, tap on this Next button. You will need to complete this puzzle. Slide the image to complete this puzzle. And after that, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code, and once you get the code, enter it in this field. After entering the code, it will start verifying the code and then you will be prompted to enter the password. Here, create a strong password for your account. It must be at least 8 characters and 2 of the characters must be number, alphabet, letters or special characters. After you create the password, tap on this Begin Your STX Journey. And then you will be able to create an account on STX. Once you have successfully registered yourself on STX, now here you will need to tap on 3 bars at the top right. Once you tap on these 3 horizontal bars, you will be able to see this menu. From this menu, here select Trade option. Under Trade, you will need to select the Spot option. Once you do that, you will be taken to a new page. Here you will need to choose the trading pair. You can click on the search icon at the top. And in the search bar, type in Evmos/USDT, or you may also search for BNB/Evmos. Once you search for it, you will be able to see the search results below. Tap on this Evmos/USDT, and after doing that, here at the very bottom, you will be able to see the Buy button. Tap on this Buy option. Now here, you will need to enter the amount of Evmos you would like to purchase. Make sure you have enough USDT to swap with it. You'll also need to review the transaction details including fees, and once you have done all of them, you can tap on this Buy Evmos option at the very bottom to proceed further. And once the transaction is confirmed, you should see your Evmos tokens in your Trust Wallet under your assets. After that, you can manage your Evmos tokens within Trust Wallet, including staking or transferring them as needed. So by following these steps, you can successfully buy Evmos on Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.